So this is one of the most wonderful days in my career, and it's called graduation day. And we have a ceremony in our school where we pass the bell. Because Fran has earned the right to be alone with her client as part of her ready to fly. So as I pass you this bell, I want to acknowledge you. This lady actually took this course with me many, many years ago, and life took her in a different direction. Now she's back. Yes, my heart leaps.
Mine too.
Yes, thank you for
That's
joining me
awesome.
and celebrating her passage into the healer that she is. I thank you so much for all the gifts that you carry, that you're going to give to the world, starting right here, right now.
Yes.
And it's with great pride that I pass the bell. Congratulations. Oh,
Appreciate it.
so proud of you.
Thank you.
CathySheaSchool.com. This is what we do.